Hey guys, welcome back to the pepper garden. I'm doing this video when I don't have the light on because it's so hard to see the growth, but as you can see, we've moved down to only 4 trays. I transplanted 2 trays worth, so here's what we got left. Some of these are probably ready to go up, to pot up, but like I've said, these trays are really deep, so you can get a lot of growth in them before you got a transplant. So some I was eager to get potted up. There's Gladiator Pit, so it's got stuff in it, but I'm just kind of like, whatever happens, happens. These are just going to get thrown away regardless. Here's a 7-pot that's being sent out to one of my coworkers. This only had 3 leaves on it, so as you can see, it's grown back. Most of them looking pretty good right now. Nice green growth, so that's nice. So here's the ones we potted up. You can see this whole thing is full of new transplants. So we've got a lot of stuff going into bigger pots. Some Caribbean red, yeah, Cajun bells. They got a lot of Cajun bells and Fresno peppers. They got potted up. Sorbotillo, yeah. Which one's this one? Fuchilocchio. All right, I'm excited for this right here. So, interestingly, the 7-pot chocolate brain strains kind of grew back differently. So now let's go back here. So here's one of them. That looks pretty alright, ish. It's alright-ish. Overwatering them really messed with them, but they kind of recovered in their own way. So here's another one. A little bit different looking. There's another one back here. Lost some leaves again. Like, they kind of sag a little bit, They don't look as healthy as I feel like they could. So I sort of wonder what the deal is with those peppers. So some of them still lose leaves down here, but the growth is pretty green. So they're definitely got enough nutrients in them. So I don't know. But my 2 big peppers, or my 3 big peppers, are potted into these big pots right here, these gallon pots. So these are looking pretty sweet as is. We got a flower, or one of the flowers on here. Come on, focus, baby. Now you guys can tell it's white. Let's see if I can get it to focus for me. And it doesn't like it. All right, you get the idea though. So that's pretty exciting. Here's the other one that got potted up. So it looks really nice. It's got this weird burn mark on it. I don't know where that is. And then here's the remainder. A lot of tomato plants. 4 in total. There's the giant back here. Really big tomato plant. Looks pretty good. So that's it. I've been storing water and pH testing it, so it's a solid 7 or lower because it was basic. So now that I've been sort of sitting on it, like putting it in the sun for a while, it comes out pretty nice. I have some salt in a spray bottle. There's the fertilizer we got. This was recommended to me by the guy at the nursery. But, and we have compost tea that we made with the fertilizer. So I'm expecting good things from that. It smells terrible though, so I'm kind of wondering how I'm going to use it, because I can't let it sit in the watering can because that would smell awful. But yeah, that's the status of the garden right now. So, and one more thing, I had 0 germination on some gold cayenne seeds that someone sent me, so I just took all of them and I put them in this bin and have them in a damp paper towel. So we'll see if I get any growth, but for the most part, it's like none of them sprouted. So like I've had sprouts of everything I've planted, but just not the gold cayennes. So I don't know if those were just duds or what the deal was, but I don't know, something about them. But that's it, guys. So I'll see you later.